version is built inside of a Ford Transit Connect with a pop-top roof. This van has the same layout as our previous van builds with a little twist. When you enter into the van, on your left is the fridge, conveniently located so you can load your groceries right away. Press the power button to turn on the fridge and adjust the temperature for fridge or freezer. What's great about this fridge is that there is a divider inside the cooler. This divider allows you to have a fridge or freezer in one, or take out the divider and you can set the whole cooler into a fridge or freezer. When not in use, simply press and hold down the power button to turn off. Right next to the fridge, you have the storage box for larger or bulky items like your camping chair and cooktop, or bedding like pillows and blankets. Above, we built the overhead shelf extension. This space allows for additional storage for lightweight items. Underneath the bed, we have the cassette toilet that you can use inside the van, or it also has a very easy access to take it out through the side door to use or service. We have additional storage bins underneath the bed for everyday items. When you enter in the van, on the right you have the light switch. We conveniently placed this dimmer switch so you can immediately turn on the lights when you enter the van. Next to it, you have a house outlet, USB outlet, a 12-volt outlet, a button to turn on the inverter, a meter that shows the percentage of the battery, and how much solar you are using or producing. There is a switch for additional lights and heat pad that are on the water tanks to prevent freezing in colder climates. Now for the kitchen. The client chose a white kitchen unit with gold leather poles. Underneath the sink, we have the inline water filter and you can service it from here. There is additional storage underneath for your kitchen items or personal belongings, along with a pull-out table where you can eat or work on. And lastly, more storage space for your larger kitchen items. In the bottom cabinet is where the electrical system is located. In here is a 100 amp hour lithium battery, which can be charged from the alternator or from an outlet, along with the 1500 watt inverter, and all the main fuses have been labeled, making the system user friendly. We love this matte finish faux butcher block countertop that is very durable. It pairs nicely with the mini farmhouse sink that is still very spacious, and the sleek modern gold faucet. It's a great place to wash your hands or prep your vegetables. What we love about this faucet is that it is on a swivel, which you can then take it out through the back door and you can shower or hose down your dog. When you're done using the faucet outside, you simply swivel back inside. You are able to fill up the sink with water if needed. You can drain the gray water tank by pressing the dump switch and it automatically drains the water outside the vehicle, all hands-free. There are some additional storage that we built behind the sink, which is a great place for cutting boards and spices, along with an open shelf above which you can store canned goods or other kitchen items. We also added additional lighting for ambiance. Now for the twist. This client had another company install this pop-top roof, which allows for an additional sleeping area. You have windows all around for the perfect 360 view of your campsite. Now let's get into bed. This bed sits on 2 sets of 300-pound drawer slides with a locking mechanism. Simply unlock the latches, grab your strap, and pull out and lay this mattress down gently. What is great about this bed design is that it does not require a lot of time to make your bed. In the corner is a night light that moves around so you can shine it on your book as you fall asleep, along with a USB outlet so you can charge your phone at night. To transform your bed back to couch mode, simply reverse the steps. Grab the strap, pull up, unlock the drawer slides, and push in until you hear the click. Having this pull-out table out to the back door is a great place to sit down and have your morning coffee or enjoy your meal. On the other side of the sliding door is where you would fill up your 10-gallon fresh water tank. Simply flip the switch to turn on the gauge and you can watch the meter as you fill up. On both sliding doors, we installed additional windows that has a built-in screen. On the driver and passenger windows, we installed the window deflectors. That is all for this van tour. Let us know in the comments below if you would install a pop-top in your microvan. As always, visit our website at smallvansbigworld.com to build with us. See you on the next one.